Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone and in this video you will learn how you can easily add menu for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click down below in the description on the link you will see. Scroll down below, click on the link. First, you will get on this site called L-Site. L-Site is an amazing company with a lot of widgets that you can use. And here you want to click on sign up for free. You can sign up with Facebook or Google, it's up to you. And when you're going to do it, then just click login. In login, you will see applications here. You want to, in search button in applications, write menu. And I will show you how you can get it on your site. Restaurant menu, create a widget. Here, you want to go from fast food restaurant, family restaurant, and you really choose which one you actually like. So let's go with the fast food restaurant for now. Continue with the template. And let's say that you would like to have like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday. So what you can do is just click here on add, and I can go with the new menu, and let's go with a Monday. And items, I could add like pizza number 1, and I would add image, caption, price, everything. So as you can see, it's right here. So Monday, and I would have it here, the product. So, but right now this is as a template that you can see how it actually looks like. And I think this looks perfect. So then you get a layout that you get like tabs or lists. I honestly like the tabs. And number of columns, you can easily change it if you want. So now let's go with the items. And you can see how the items looks like. Again, you choose which one you like. I like this one too. This is the best in my opinion. And you don't need to have description or badges. So now when you have it, you get a style. You can change the color, to have it similar to your site. But I'm going to leave the red now. And then just click save. When you're going to click save, you're going to see the plans that you can have. The first one is light plan. I recommend doing that. Test it out yourself. See if it works. If you like it, 200 views per month. Then you get a basic $5 a month. That's also pretty cool. Or you get all applications, and that's like $15 a month, and you can choose like every application there is, like social buttons, so many of them. Just check it out on L-Site. And when you're gonna have the code here, just copy it. And now let's just add the code on our site. Click set custom HTML and let's paste it. And voila, here we got really perfect restaurant menu for our site in Weebly. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I will try to help you and give you some feedback, some guidance. And yeah, that's kind of it. So thank you everybody. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.